not continuing to raise, but also not cutting. What would that mean for the economy? Is that back to that stagflation forecast that you have, even though he did say he wants to continue to push on the inflation?
Yeah, so it is back to the stagflation narrative, and I think that's the most likely near-term outlook over the next 6 to 12 months. We have a Fed that, again, likely won't be cutting rates to stimulate growth. They've already said that there'll be a mild recession. Again, just like you mentioned, with him saying transitory, look at what we got. So I have very little confidence in the Fed that they actually know what the economy is going to ultimately do. And it puts us into a situation where inflation stays elevated. And I think people have to understand that you had two parts to inflation. We had the supply chain part, which has been solved. We're not really in that issue anymore, but we still have the higher wages. Wages jumped tremendously since COVID. And that's going to be an inflationary pressure that's going to keep inflation above, in my opinion, just above 3% for at least a year.